Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is on this really cute and curly hair. I got this hair from Huber Hair. I think they have their own website, but this is an Amazon vendor. They sent me this wig. It's Brazilian curly, 16 inches, and the density is 150%, and it's a 13 by 6. I'm just gonna show you guys how I install it and customize it to my liking. It did come pre-plugged, so I didn't have to do much to it, but we're just gonna get into the video. So stay tuned if you wanna see how I installed my hair, because it looks pretty good. And I'm sorry about my voice because somehow I caught a cold. I normally don't get sick, but it's trying to get up with me and I need to go rest myself. But we're gonna get into the video. The wig is looking straight out the box. It's from Huber Hair Wigs, as previously mentioned. And pretty much you get the box. It comes with this. And then they also give you a weaving net and an elastic band. So this is what the wig is looking like. It looks pretty decent as far as like the bleaching. I only left it on for a little bit. I didn't leave it on that long because I didn't want to over bleach it. Oops.
AB on the track, yeah.
I don't know what happened, but my phone did not record me doing my baby hairs and customizing the rest of the front. It's the next morning and I decided to just wait and redo this part. Well, probably not my baby hairs because that took the longest. It was a struggle for these, but just show you guys how I do my like hairline, and then I'm also gonna wet it so you guys can see how it dries completely. So just gonna do that. guys, so this pretty much wraps up my video. The hair is not completely dry, but this is exactly how it looks when it's dry, except it's not as shiny. But and it also gets bigger. This is the Brazilian curly. I think I've included the specs, but if I haven't touched on that, I'll be sure to include it in the description box, as well as the link to this wig. But it is beautiful, y'all. It feels so soft. I got a little bit of shedding when I washed it, and also when I started detangling it. You guys saw that part. But yeah, my first impression of this hair is really good. I hope it lasts long, and I'll just be sure to update you guys. If I don't do a video, just come back to the description box and I will update you on how the hair held up. But this pretty much wraps up my video. Again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my god, my voice.